Welcome to This Week in Astronomy, brought to you by Celestron, the world's leading manufacturer of telescopes. I'm Dave Eicher, Editor Emeritus of Astronomy magazine. This time I want to talk about a cool object that we can see pretty well in the evening sky at this time of year. If you head out in the early evening in March, you'll see a big circle of bright stars, the winter hexagon, as it's called, made up of many of the brightest star groups in our region of the Milky Way galaxy. One of the constellations involved in this big circle of bright stars is Gemini the Twins. This constellation currently hosts the very bright planet Jupiter, but it also hosts more mysterious, much more distant objects, one of which is the open star cluster M35. Open clusters, of course, that's where our sun came from long ago, and the orbiting around the center of our galaxy dispersed those sister stars. M35 is still together as a really bright open cluster that's bright enough to see in binoculars and great in a low-power telescope. The more than 300 members that exist in this cluster are scattered over about 20 arc-minute, a little larger than 20 arc-minute field. That's nearly the size of the moon's disk, including all of the members of that cluster. And its overall brightness is really equal to about a fifth magnitude star. So it's really a commanding open star cluster in our sky, in our part of the galaxy. Nearby is another very interesting cluster. It's called NGC 2158, much smaller and much dimmer than the huge sprawling M35. But it's cool because it contains several hundred stars. It's 11,000 light years away, several times farther away than M35. So we can imagine an open cluster that's maybe kind of similar to M35, but it is much more distant. You get a great study in contrast here, a great study in depth of field, seeing M35 and then seeing its close companion in the sky, NGC 2158. Two great open clusters in the springtime sky that you can enjoy with binoculars or your Celestron telescope. I'll see you next time.